Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. So last week I ended up having like a really bad cold, and if you see to my side, it's a 3D printed Terminator skull, and I printed it to house by Alexa. So, give you an idea of what happened last week. Um, I couldn't talk. Only thing I could do was like a small like light whisper, at most. And obviously, I use this for you know quite a bit of like information. But check this out. What happened? Alexa, how are you today? Alexa, find mate.
My Wednesday's been whimsical.
Alexa, how are you? Alexa, find mate.
I'm good. It's Wednesday, and that can only mean one thing. Tomorrow is Thursday. Yep, you heard it here first.
Anyway, figured I'd share what I was going through last week. Every time, every time I asked her something, that was what I got. Divine Divine would go low, and she would whisper. Uh, anyway, I actually asked it to play ambient noise in the background, like a thunderstorm, like the rain and stuff, so I could sleep better. And when it started whispering, it actually woke my wife up, and she's like, "That's the creepiest thing I've ever heard." But anyhow, uh, Brian Garage Wall figured I'd share. Be safe out there, and Alexa, thank you.
You're so welcome. Your kindness really gives me a charge.
Anyway, be safe out there.